Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys and you need to clean guys. Okay, let me leave that thing up. Make it stay up, perfect. How to clean throttle body, because if you have malfunctioning throttle body guys, engine light that corresponds to throttle body, engine not running correctly, revving up, not idling right, it could be due to a dirty throttle body, carbon buildup. We're going to explain all that today, so stay with us and we'll explain how to safely clean your throttle body. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata, this is the throttle body that we'll be cleaning. If you want to see how to remove it guys, all that will be on our channel. You will need to drain your coolant because you have two coolant lines as well. We're going to clean half of it and demonstrate guys the difference before and after, so you can see what we are talking about. Okay, you can see what you can use, throttle body or air intake cleaner. This is amazing stuff. Okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. So we'll go ahead, use that. Okay, and now we are going to go ahead, apply on a quart. Okay, apply on a quart, or we can spray on the throttle body too. You always use gloves, gloves. Also use guys eye protection. Another thing that you need to use, okay, you need to make sure that you don't have open flame, fire, okay, hot engine, have fire extinguisher on the side, and you will see how terribly bad that throttle body is guys. Okay, you can see so far, okay, how it cleans it. It makes it really nice. Okay, we'll need to spray more. Let's go ahead, clean it now. What we can do, okay, we need to clean everywhere guys. Okay, but we want to do half and we want to show you the before and after results, okay, from that cleaning. Okay, I will keep that thing open, okay, and you will need to clean the edge of that flap, okay, because often you will have carbon buildup on that flap, and what will result into guys, okay, if it's not clean, okay, it can be sticking, it can be leaking more air than it should. That can lead to revving high. Also it can lead, okay, to unstable engine operation. Check it out. Okay, that's carbon buildup guys. So we're going to spray more here, and you can even spray on the throttle body, but we just don't want to make a mess here now everywhere. And sometimes when you spray on the throttle body we can get it on the camera, so you can see how it cleans the lip of that flap there guys. So let's see now, okay, what it looks like when we clean half of it compared to the other half. Okay, let's close it and you will see the difference guys. Okay, now that will make everything run smoothly, because if you have dirty throttle body it can be sticking, it cannot be closing all the way, it cannot be responsive, and as a result, okay, you may get all kind of troubles guys, and you may have unstable idle, unstable vehicle operation, engine lights, misfires, all kind of stuff. So you can see the before and after. It's simply amazing. So that's how we do the whole throttle body, clean everything, make sure it's smooth like glass, clean, and this is it guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.